what? Go!
Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn.
The light's green!
But you can't be any geek off this.
The light's green! Go! Took them long enough. Wrong side of the road. Yeah, you're kind of suicidal, aren't you? Here's today's quiz. What was the whole point of putting your life in danger in front of an oncoming truck to pass me if you're just going to end up in the same traffic jam as me, and of course you roll the stop sign anyways? But that's today's question. Ha ha ha, you're in the wrong lane today. Hurry up because I got to turn. I was here first. You know, if a train comes, he's going to have to go up to the crossroads, I guess. Bag. The mini pooper. And he's just doing that to not have to wait at the red light. Look at that. Nope. 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 No, 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 no. And here's the thing. A lot of people might come up with the excuse that people need the next exit. I need it too, and I had enough room to move over. Ha! I think he cut that corner. Whoa. What the fuck? What? Wow. Nope. Nissan drivers. Oh, come on. Just wait until the end of the tunnel. This is why this is kind of not allowed in here. Now you... Oh, yeah, you cut off a Mercedes, but at least you used your blinker this time. Good job. Why are you merging left? I was going around you. Straight from right turn lane. What are you... What the you... Pedestrians. Wow. West 2nd exit, another one. Not as bad as last. Hey, teacher, leave them kids alone. Of course. Red light runner. Uh-oh. Goes Lexus.
From him that it was very effective, and that when you combine it with the
Red light runner, that white car. What? Really? I hope that got on camera. This always seems to happen here. Happens to me too. Don't be a douchebag. Don't be a douchebag. Don't let him back over. Don't be a douchebag.
Seriously, why are you guys on the shoulder still?
What's this guy from Jersey gonna do? What? What a douchebag! Making my home state look bad. And this guy is backing up. Oh. He's doing the semi-smart. Oh. I have no clue where you... Fuck, I've been waiting in traffic long enough. And this is the shortcut, and it's still going to take forever. Whoa! I think it was just merging her... Woohoo, one car. Wow, and your exit's right there. I knew I'd get you on camera. Careful. Wow, someone got confused. This has only been up for, what, 2 days? Oh, wow. Yeah, this U-turn thingy is a bad idea. I'm just telling you right now.
They're trying to hurt that interview. Alright, here we go. Guys insecure about their girlfriends.
Wow.
Hey, Billy Brostash. I was going...
Yeah, this guy obviously overfilled his blinker fluid. No turn on red. What a great example you set for the rest of us.
Rain. I bought a raincoat just for this occasion.
Red light runner.
Because I don't like the umbrella.
Red light runner.
16. According to your report, Mr. Trump Jr. was the only Trump associate who participated in that meeting
left.
and who declined to be voluntarily as communications director. In June of 2017 was shown emails that set up the Trump Tower meeting, and she told her office that she was, quote, shocked by the emails.
Red light runner. That bus went right through that stop sign.
Which paragraph you're referring to?
Top of page 2,
2.
volume 1.
And
All these bitches living, baby sauce, crazy when I pull up and I'm whipping. All these bitches tipping.
Red light runner.